Most protein ice creams taste like frozen chalk, but today I'm giving you 6 Ninja Creami recipes, all with at least 45 grams of protein. They're designed specifically to crush your cravings and help you lose weight without feeling like you're on a diet. Confetti Crush, Maple Walnut, Banana Chocolate Swirl, Cookies and Milk, Midnight Marshmallow, and stick around to the end, the last one I'm using a secret ingredient that's packed with flavor and only 300 calories. Let's get started. First up, the Confetti Crush. For the base, we're using Fairlife's ultra-filtered milk. I'm using 2%, but if you want lower fat, you could use the fat-free version. And all these recipes today will be using this milk because it has less sugar and more protein than regular milk. This will bring up the protein for all of our pints without adding too much sugar. Next, we'll add in some protein powder, and I'll be using this one from Optimum Nutrition in all the recipes today. This one is the vanilla ice cream flavor, and this will add sweetness to the pint with 24 grams of protein for just 120 calories per scoop. Next, we have cake batter extract, and this will give our base a nice sweet vanilla taste. If you ever make cake batter, it tastes exactly what it smells like. Now we'll add in 1 gram of xanthan gum, and this is needed because we are using lower fat milk, and without it, the final pint would be icy and hard, but by adding it, we'll get that nice, thick, creamy texture that ice cream has. So don't skip this step. We'll be using the xanthan gum in all the recipes today. And then a pinch of salt, which will bring out the flavor in the ice cream, and this will also be used in all the pints today. Now we'll mix it up. I'm using a milk frother, but you can use an immersion blender or just a regular blender. Put it in the freezer for about 24 hours. Next day, put it in the Creami and use the light ice cream setting. For the mix-ins, we're adding 2 tablespoons of mini M&Ms and 2 teaspoons of rainbow sprinkles. Put it back in the Creami, hit the mix-in setting, and there you go. You get that sweet cake batter taste with the crunch of the M&Ms and rainbow sprinkles. This one is one of my favorites. This whole pint is 467 calories and 46 grams of protein. Next up, we have the maple walnut. Add in the ultra-filtered milk, protein powder, and now we'll go 20 grams of maple syrup for the sweetness and the maple taste, and then 5 grams of maple extract to really emphasize that maple taste. Xanthan gum and some salt. Mix it up, freeze it, light ice cream setting. We'll add in 20 grams of chopped walnuts. Mix that in and enjoy. This one has 486 calories and 48 grams of protein. If you like these 2 recipes so far, be sure to become a member of my channel. This helps support me and you get early access to my videos. Next up, the banana chocolate swirl. In a blender, we'll add in our ultra-filtered milk, protein powder, 1 ripe banana, and do make sure that it is ripe. And because the freezing process does dull down the sweetness, I'm adding in some 0-cal sweetener. Now some xanthan gum and salt. Blend it up and pour into the pint. Freeze for 24 hours, light ice cream setting. Add in chunks of dark chocolate and give that a mix. And now I'll slowly start working in some marshmallow fluff using a knife. And there you go, 524 calories and 47 grams of protein. Now one of my favorites, the milk and cookies. For this one, we'll be using my vanilla base, which is ultra-filtered milk, protein powder, vanilla paste, which I do find to be stronger than vanilla extract, but you can use either. Xanthan gum and some salt. Mix that up and freeze it. Light ice cream setting. Add in mini Oreos and some Chips Ahoy cookies. Mix that up, and there you go. 514 calories and 46 grams of protein. If you think any of these recipes so far will help someone lose weight, do me a favor and hit that like button so more people can see it. It's completely free and helps the channel. Next, we have the Midnight Marshmallow. For this base, we're using Fairlife's ultra-filtered 2% chocolate milk, the same protein powder as before, some unsweetened cocoa powder to help give it a nice, rich, chocolatey taste, some marshmallow fluff. This will give the Creami a more mousse-like texture and add overall sweetness. Xanthan gum and some salt. Blend it, pour into a pint, freeze it, light ice cream setting, toss in some mini Oreos and mini marshmallows, mix that in, and there you go. 485 calories and 46 grams of protein. And as you can see, the texture is a bit different on this one, a bit more chocolate mousse-like. So this one won't be for everyone, but if you like chocolate mousse, then this one's for you. Now the last one, this is the one that has the secret ingredient, the Butter Biscuit Creami. We'll use the ultra-filtered milk, protein powder, and now the flavor powder. I'm using this one by Saprevia. It's going to give this base sweetness and flavor for little calories and sugar. Xanthan gum and some salt. Mix it up and freeze, light ice cream setting, and there you go. 309 calories and 45 grams of protein. And I'm telling you, this one tastes really good. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I've gained about 2,000 in the last couple months, so just a big thank you for that. If you have any other high protein creamy suggestions, drop them in the comments below.